Consider the following circuit. From this circuit, we have to find out the values of G and R values, conductance and resistance, when the power delivered by the 5 amperes current source is 125 watts, he was given. Now, with that, according to the given circuit, first we can estimate the current passing through the resistance, which is connected in parallel as a conductance was provided. Now, this current is 13 amperes and this current is 5 amperes and the resultant current here 18 amperes. Now, these two are connected in parallel. That is why in parallel you know that voltage is same. The same voltage I can take it here, voltage across conductance G given as here 40, this I can define current I into R, I by G also we can take it in terms of conductance, which is equal to 40. Now, 18 by G is equal to 40, from this G value is equal to 18 by 40, this I can take it here 9 by 20, this we are getting 0.45 mhos. Once you obtain the value of conductance, then we need to get it the other value resistance. For that I would like to take this closed path. Once you get it this closed path, I have to know the voltage across this. For that he was provided the information with 5 amperes current source power. With that 5 amperes current source power is equal to 125 watts. This I can take it is a product of voltage and current, where current I value is equal to 5. With this I can take it voltage across 5 amperes current source is equal to, I am getting the 25 volts. Once you obtain the 25 volts by KVL for this closed path, I can take it by KVL for 1 to obtain the R value. I can take it by KVL minus V while taking the starting terminal. The same current is existing here, this is positive to negative. This voltage I can take it 5 times of R, that is plus 5 R, and minus 110 volts and plus 40 is equal to 0. Now, the V value we got it minus 25, this is V value 25. Now, 5 R minus 110 plus 40, from this we are getting minus 135, which we are getting as minus 135 plus 40, which is 95, minus 95. Now, R value we are getting from this here 19 ohms we are getting, 95 by 5. From this I can say the value of G conductance value is equal to 0.45 mhos and R value 19 ohms. According to the given options, I can take it option A is the correct one.